Guys, welcome back. Razi Grows over here in the building. And right now we're looking inside the Crow portfolio in crypto.com. And you know, you guys can always stake your coins and earn interest on them amount of coins. So I think the payouts is every Friday. They pay the crypto earn. That's the interest paid on the amount of coins that is being staked. So the more coins you stake, the more coins you get back in interest. So staking is another form of it's almost like crypto mining because your money's making money on top of its money. So when you keep doing that formula, it's another form of mining crypto in a sense, But so I got 11,000 Crow locked up. And then so you could start off with a $400 worth of Crow to get the crypto.com debit card. Or you could get the $4,000 one. You know what I mean? But this is the one I want. I want the $40,000 one right here. But look, this thing comes with some cool little benefits. So let's take a look at what the benefits of this. So you get 100% back on Netflix and Spotify. 2% back, cash back on things you spend. Airport lounge. I guess it's like a secret room in the airports that you can go in there and like eat snacks and hang out. And I guess it's all, I don't know. I never knew about this. It's news to me. You get 4% lockup rate. Bonus card up to 10%. So there's a bunch of little perks and benefits to this. And then you can switch the color. You could get the purple one or you could get the green one. So that's what's going on there. So pretty much, if we was to go to the staking department, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put that money to stake. So you'll go over to the staking department. Guys, when have you guys seen a bank account pay $194 in interest? Come on, man. They don't do that. They don't do that. Alright, so boom. Chronos. I'm gonna do flexible because I want to be able to take out the money at any given time if I need it. So, max. Man, I guess I can't do it. I think I already got the money already locked up. Yeah, it's already there. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah, guys. So what you do is you take these coins, you put them in here, you put them to stake, you make your crypto make you more money on crypto. And that's how you start building your infinite wealth bag for the future. You know what I mean? A lot of people say there's no money to be made in this, but how come there's so many millionaires being created with the people that know how to do it right? Come on, man. Success leaves clues, and I'm trying to follow them, so let's go. If you guys want to learn some of the things that you see in here, like and subscribe to your boy. Share, comment, show love. I will show love right back. Peace.